I always tell people with learning how to use something like sourdough, it may sound like a huge investment of time, 2 to 3 days to make a loaf of bread. But your hands-on time is actually quite limited to moments of 5 to 10 minutes. It's you're really developing patience as a skill as much as you are just learning how to handle the dough.
Yeah.
But really, like with any kind of skill, once you are done being so preoccupied with the performance
hmm
of what you're doing, you can let go of that preoccupation and really start to immerse yourself in the experience of it happening. And once that develops, then you can become a little bit more intuitive. You kind of know what to expect. You know the process. I always compare it to, when I learned how to scuba dive a
Mm.
few years ago, and it's one of the only hobbies I have that I haven't turned into a profession. But one of the reasons I wanted to learn was because I wanted to overcome my fear of water.
Mm.
And and so for the first, month or so of trying to do it, it was really just about kind of letting go of my fear of XYZ, fill in the blank. And once I really understood how to use my equipment, how to use my mask, how to, do all of the things that I had to do, I could let go of all that preoccupation I had with, what was holding me back from the experience. And I started to look around and I started to see the coral and the fish and
hmm
all of the beauty of the experience, and was able to relax into that and become a part of it. Whereas, I was always sort of thinking of myself as I'm here and the water's there and the danger is here. And,
Right.
and that just all faded away, and it became this really powerful experience. And it's the same with, it's the same with sourdough. It's the same with learning how to throw a pot. It's the same with, growing your own tomatoes. You kind of have
Right.
to learn the framework of what it is you're doing, mixing flour and water together, waiting,
Right.
shaping it in a particular way.
Well,